Welcome guys. On this tutorial I'll be guiding you on how to make use of swipe with a sketch profile. So let's start with the top plane. I go to my top plane, I sketch. I go to circle, I sketch on it on the origin. Sketch on your origin. Let's dimension this. Let me dimension it 10 millimeter. So I'm done with this sketch. I close it. I go to my front plane. I sketch on front plane. I locate my origin here. I zoom out. I sketch. I hit on my escape key to leave it. I go to smart dimension, so let's add dimension. But first, let me add dimension to it. Let me make here 20. Let me make here 15. Yeah, make it 25. Let me add relation to here and here. It should be collinear. I want them collinear. Okay. Now let's add fillets. Let's add sketch fillets. The radius is too much, so let me reduce it. Let me make it 6. Okay, 6 is okay. Okay, 6. So we have this. We are done with our profile. So we can go to features, go to swipe pause base. Now, on my profile, I'll select this, my circle as my profile. Then here, as my part, you select on this line. So let me undo it. I click on delete. I click on this line here. That's my profile. Click on my check mark. I go. So we have this. So this for a sketch profile using swipe pause base. So thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, share.